Want to create a stunning website in just minutes? Let's walk through Squarespace step by step, perfect for beginners. Step 1. Sign up and choose a template. Go to squarespace.com, click Get Started. Pick your website type portfolio, blog, online store, or business. Browse the modern templates and choose one that matches your style. Don't worry, you can customize everything later. Step 2. Set up your site. Enter your site name. You'll land in the Squarespace editor. Left side is equal to settings, where you can see the pages, design, commerce. Center is equal to live preview of your site. Step 3. Add pages and navigation. In the sidebar, click Pages. Add key pages like Home, About, Services or Shop, Blog, and Contact. Drag to rearrange your navigation menu. Click a page and edit its content. Step 4. Customize your design. Click Design, then top Site Styles. Change fonts, colors, spacing, and buttons instantly. Upload your logo or choose from built-in font packs. Adjust background images or videos to set the mood. Step 5. Add content blocks. Inside any pages, click the plus sign to add a block. Text, images, video, forms, maps, or galleries. Use sections to build your layout. Hero banner, testimonials, product grids, or newsletter sign up. Everything is drag and drop friendly. Step 6. Set up SEO and mobile. Go to Marketing, then click SEO to edit page titles, descriptions, and keywords. Preview your site on mobile view to make sure it looks great on phones. Step 7. Connect domain and publish. In Settings, click Domains, register a new domain or connect your own. Click Publish and your site goes live instantly.